Good morning, class. It is Fun Friday. We will have officially been in fourth grade for 3 weeks today. Have your morning work ready to read by 8:30 this morning. Today at 9:45, we will talk about sequence of events in our story of the week. In addition, you will have a spelling and vocabulary activity from our Reading Street program. That is our story of the week. It is also in your workbook, but since we are virtual, I would like y'all to complete this activity on Seesaw instead of in your workbook. We will also play Kahoot on our interview that we did last week. Let's see what you remember about your classmates. In math today, we will review about comparing numbers. Let's make it a great Friday. I will see you soon at 8:30.